Hey guys, and hey guys, this is my first video, and today I'm going to play Subway Surf. I'm going to show you how the easiest to get to very high score to so you can be very good in the game. At the start, you just don't pick up the golden boots because they are actually for me they are useful in one way only, because I only use them when I have to jump over the train. But I mean, you can use them if you want, but I recommend to not using them because they suck actually. Don't judge me, but they really suck. And after a few time you are have like when you skip like 250 coins or 300, start using hoverboards, because it in the game it gets a little bit harder and it's a little bit faster, so it's hard so it is going to be harder. But if you're using hoverboards, it's easier. So yeah, my score is 736,000, and that's a very big score. And I just started playing this game yesterday. So yeah, that shows that I'm like a pro in this game. So yeah. Um, can you please subscribe to channel from my friend? It's called I Can An Ass. And uh, he is very popular. He has how much again? I think like 516 or something like that. He is very popular. Okay, it's no. When you start getting to 1,000 coins, it looks like it's faster, but actually it's actually freaking slower, and that's very stupid. So why would this be slower? I don't know, but no, I died. And I, for starters, recommend to in this game to be like to try not to die like me. You saw that. try not hitting yourself, try being like serious, that think in your head that this is like the last time you're playing this game ever again, and it's for $1,000 and you're gonna 100% be very good. But you have to first, after start playing this game, you have to first start collecting a lot of hoverboards. When you get about 500 or to 100 minimum, you can then start collecting at least 7 keys, so you can with those keys, when you die not using a hoverboard, you have a chance to use like 2 keys or 4 keys or 1 key. And on the start there is, you can use only 1 key. After if you die second time, you can use 2 keys. I mean, you have to use 2 keys to get another chance. And after, like, after uh, after you died that second time, you can use 1 more time, and that is it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. Let's try to get to like 50 likes maximum. Oh, I forgot to say one thing. If you like this channel, leave a comment down below to say to me what game to start playing next, what thing you want to be better at. So yeah, this is only for this game, and I'm gonna, in the next video, what you game decide, I'm gonna that game say hacks for that game. So yeah,